There were a couple topics that we did not get to discuss on the practice exam that we need to make sure we go back to. And this is, why do airbags save lives? This is like number 13 on the practice quiz, I believe. But in order for an airbag to save a person's life, there are several key concepts that fully explain why airbags save lives. And here's what we have. In order to save a person's life with an airbag, one must consider that the person is moving with the car, thus has momentum. In the case of a car accident, the car is generally brought to a sudden stop. Their inertia wants to keep them moving forward. Therefore, the airbag must change the person's momentum. And that changing the person's momentum is kind of key idea number one. The second key idea is this. In order to change momentum, an impulse is required. Key topic or key idea number two. Number three says, well, changing a person's momentum is not instantaneous. It takes time. And that's key. That's the third idea. The fourth idea is that the airbag increases the time of the collision. Therefore, the safety feature, you want to prolong the collision. And that's the fourth idea. And the fifth idea is this, that by increasing the time of the collision, the force is decreased. Therefore, the force acting on the person, they hit the airbag and gradually come to rest. Therefore, I can look at this. The impulse is equal to the change in momentum. By increasing the time of the collision, I can decrease the net force acting on them. So the impulse is what changes the object's momentum. It doesn't happen instantaneously. It takes time. By increasing the time of the collision, it's decreasing the force that's acting on the person. And another example problem number 13 is the same concept. So this is also number 13. So, why does a bug splatter on a windshield? Why can we drop a balloon from some height to the ground and it doesn't break? Or why could we drop an egg onto a pillow and it doesn't break? And these are all the same. This is the same even as the problem from before. Airbags. It's all about momentum and impulse and changing momentum. So here we go. First key point is that we're changing the momentum of the object. Momentum change requires an impulse. The object doesn't come to rest instantly, right? It doesn't immediately. Whatever they're colliding into slowly brings it to rest. By saying slowly brings it to rest, we're saying that the time is extended. The change in momentum is not instantaneous. It occurs over a duration of time. And by extending the time, the force acting on the object is reduced. And therefore, the bug splatter, the water balloon not breaking, and the egg not breaking on the pillow all apply to the same concept.